I'm sorry. I didn't think they would actually do it. I feel partially responsible, but just I didn't think they would. I mean, I gotta give them 5 stars for an hour.
Hello and welcome to a freshly exported MP4 file. You see what I did there? I made an award-winning sketch to visualize what happened to the phone. Subscribe right now if you want to see more stuff like that. So yeah, that neat Galaxy S6 Edge took a little toilet dive. And now it doesn't work anymore. Now this phone isn't actually mine because I don't drop phones into toilets. It belongs to my best friend's girlfriend. He told me that this thing has water damage and it doesn't power on for more than a couple of seconds. And I had no freaking idea how to fix it, to be honest. Water damage could literally mean anything. Yeah, it's the battery, man. Are you sure?
Now give me that phone!
I think this mission is gonna be a huge disappointment, but let's check the insides anyway, and figure out if we can spot something sketchy. The S6 Edge has a glass back, so we need to heat it up a little. And my girlfriend's small travel hairdryer is a great tool for that. Now let me tell you a little secret right here, my dude. I suck at repairing things, and Samsung phones are the worst. That's a deadly combo right there. I broke the glass of my S8 in a previous video, so I wanted to be extra careful with this one. But the S6 uses sugar instead of glass. Keeping everything warm is important to make that adhesive less sticky. But my hairdryer f***ing died again. My blowtorch is reliable, but using it for those things is like giving Bill Gates 20 grand. It's stupid and makes no sense, and you should be ashamed of yourself. I'm just gonna ignore the pain I'm feeling right now. Breaking the back plate with just a suction cup. But yes, of course! Scratching everything inside the phone while removing the broken glass? You can have that as well! Being a huge disappointment for everyone in the phone repair community? Don't worry, that one's on the house! We continue by removing all visible screws from the middle plate. And some of those screws don't want to come out. So I leave them in. Bad idea. You can clearly see that I managed to damage the NFC coil. But who needs that coil anyway? I use my little plastic tool to unpop the middle frame from the rest of the phone. And guess what? It wasn't that smart to leave in those screws. One of them is still slightly holding to the headphone jack. And I think I broke it.
But who needs a headphone jack in 2019 anyway?
To get to the battery, we need to unpop a bunch of little connectors. That cute camera. And unscrew 2 more screws. Now we gently use our plastic tool to lift the entire logic board from the phone. Yes, replacing a battery is that easy. Oopsie poopsie, I forgot the connector. These cables are extremely fragile. Now we have fully access to the battery. And Samsung tends to glue those batteries extremely well to the phone. And there's more! Right under the battery is the backside of the OLED panel. If you scratch it, your screen gets damaged. That is terrible design. Aha! Look what we got here. But I'm pretty sure that it was already there. We broke a bunch of stuff while opening the phone. And here we can also see some corrosion from that toilet dive. So I have no idea why we're still here. Just to suffer
every night.
The point of no return is past anyway. So let's get that new battery inside my boy. Super glue is a great adhesive. The battery connector is kinda in the wrong shape. That's a good indicator for it being a non-original battery. We put the logic board back and click all connectors into place. Those 2 antenna cables go back into their little rails. And let's not forget about those 2 screws. Let us check out that NFC coil for a second. I'm pretty sure it's broken, and if not, who cares? We can make something educational out of it. Inside of it are small copper wires in a circle. Good thing we learned something today. Our final move is to put in all screws back into the middle frame. Did you know that wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times? Good thing I broke that headphone jack. So yeah, let's check if it works or something, I don't know. Okay, I didn't expect that. Here you can see the results of my OLED scratching. But who cares? It works! And the best thing is that the owner just wanted to access her old photos again. So I guess breaking everything else doesn't really matter. How convenient. Speaking of photos, the camera works as well.
Hip hip hooray, my dude.
And there you have it. I enjoy bringing back phones from the dead. It's a good feeling. We all need a good feeling every now and then. And remember, if I can do it, everyone can do it.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Just one little thing again. If you repair something, make it clean, make it very shiny, and give it back in a proper state. And don't mess it up like I did. In my case, the person just wanted to access the photos again, so that's not a big deal. So yeah, don't do it like me. Alright, if you enjoyed it, give this video a like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna do more videos like that with little sketches because I think that's very funky. It makes a lot of fun making those things, and I hope it's a lot of fun watching those things. And don't remember to check out the question of the day down in the comments, and I hopefully see you in the next one. If not, you might gonna miss out.